Want to know how I made these stunning bridesmaid nails? Well, I'm about to show you. But first we need to go over what we need for this set. Ombre sponge, electric nail drill with adjustable speeds, cuticle pusher and scraper, cuticle clippers, 5mm liner brush, a dotting tool, disposable nail file, nail dehydrator, cuticle oil, base coat, builder gel, silver cat eye polish, white polish, neon turquoise jelly polish, rubbing alcohol to clean nails and utensils, and cotton rounds. And we're going to get right into it. And first of all, I'm going to start by filing her nails, just shaping them. She wants them more round, and she didn't want to put any false nails on or tips. She just wanted the gel set on her natural nail, which I am honestly all for. Girls loving their natural nails and just owning it, and so I 100% wanted to support this and do this. She has stunning nail beds and super strong nails, so I mean they were honestly perfect, and I just wanted to accentuate their already perfect beauty by doing this. So once we're done filing, I'm going to apply my cuticle oil so that we can soften up the cuticles and push them back without it hurting. And I'm just going to do that on every single nail. And then once that's done, I'm going to go in with my cuticle pusher, and we are going to gently but thoroughly push back the cuticle so that the whole nail bed is bare and easy to apply the gel on. And then I'm going to go in with my cuticle cutter and remove the dead skin so that her cuticle area is nice and smooth and clean. And that way too, the dead skin is out of the way so that the gel won't lift or get on the skin, which will help her nail set stay on for weeks without lifting. And so I'm just going to go through each of her nails, taking off the cuticle. This is honestly one of my favorite parts, and doing her thumb was my favorite because I was able to just get the dead skin off from the cuticle completely off in one fell swoop, which I absolutely loved. And to me, this is just so satisfying. I don't know if it is to you guys, but honestly, I could do this and watch this all day. It's like my favorite part, cleaning up my friends' nails and even my own. It's just super satisfying, and I love it, and in the end, it makes the nails just super healthy and look great too. And now I'm going to go in with my electric nail file, and we are going to gently buff the nails so that the gel will not lift, hopefully, and will stay on her nails for a long time. It'll just give something for the gel to really stick to, and we're going to do that evenly to every single nail, just making sure that the entire surface of the nail is buffed thoroughly. And once that's done, we're going to go in with our base coat and evenly apply that to the entire nail. We're going to really hug the cuticle area so that when her nails are done, they will be clean and crisp, and the color will be up to her cuticles but not touching the skin, so that it'll just look really clean and nice on her nails. And if you do go over on the skin a little bit like I did, you can just remove that very easily. And then of course cure for 60 seconds. So now that we've applied the base coat everywhere, we're going to go in with our builder gel. And her nails honestly are so strong and super healthy, but she just wanted a thin layer of builder gel just to give it that extra strength, and I completely agreed with that. So we're going to go in and cover the whole nail over the base coat and just apply it evenly and nicely, trying to make it smooth so that we have a really nice smooth base to add our colors on and designs on as we go. But again, yeah, just doing it kind of thinly, putting a good amount on there, but she doesn't honestly need a lot. And then we're going to cure it for 60 seconds. This is where it starts getting really fun, and we're going to go into our silver cat eye and make sure there's no fuzzies in there like I am, because somehow I don't know how I always get a fuzzy in there that I have to get out. But anyways, we're going to apply the silver cat eye in one even layer over her nail, and she wanted kind of a sheer look so that her natural nail kind of came through too, which I honestly agreed with because her nails are gorgeous. And so we're just going to make sure it's even, and then I'm going to go in with my circular magnet to create kind of like this French tip that will kind of go up the nail and just be this really beautiful movement and aura with the cat eye. And so you'll see how I do that here. It's really easy to do. You just have to play with it a little bit. And then basically once she liked it and once I tweaked it a little bit, we are going to then cure that for 60 seconds as well. So here I'll show you on another nail so you can see a little better just the pure magic that is this silver cat eye gel. I mean, look at this magic. Isn't this absolutely amazing? I am so blown away with this. It is an absolute awesome gel polish, and I mean, just look at it. It's perfect. All right, so with all of the nails done with the cat eye, we're going to go into our turquoise jelly polish, and we are going to just put one little layer of it with our ombre brush on the entire nail, and you can see how stunning this actually is. This gel polish is amazing because if you put too much on one nail but you just want a hint of it, you can honestly just spread it across the rest of the nails and blend it in, and all of the nails will look even and just have that beautiful icy color. This is going to match my friend's bridesmaid dress, which is like a blue dress, but it's kind of iridescent and has a silver shimmer, so this goes perfectly with it, and it just gives it that beautiful little touch of color, and it just blends in perfectly with the ombre sponge. And of course we're going to keep curing for 60 seconds. And with finishing every nail, we're going in with our dotting tool now with our white, and we are going to start our stars with our 5mm liner brush. And we're just going to go in with that liner brush and pull little bits out from the center of that white dot to really create that kind of white sparkly star effect. And don't be concerned if you have to do this like 10 times because I kept messing up and had to start over, but we eventually got there and got it to something that she really liked. And when she said that she really liked it, then we just, of course, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. So I am adding 2 stars on her pinky nail. She just wanted the pinky nail as the accent because she was obsessed with the cat eye color, which I honestly agree with. So I'm just kind of adding it at the side but the bottom of the nail and just making it a smaller star, but that way the design is kind of coherent throughout the nail. And again, just kind of tweaking it to how I like it, taking my time, making sure it looks good. And again, once she likes it, we go in and cure again for 60 seconds. And then we are doing the exact same thing on our other pinky nail, starting with our dotting tool and then going back in with our liner brush and really making those stars come to life. These stars honestly remind me of the original animated Disney Peter Pan movie, how the stars kind of looked in certain scenes. So I really love this whimsical star look, and it's just super clean, super sharp, but just gives it that little bit of an extra design. And I'm just taking my time making sure that these look good and that it's how she likes it, and of course curing for 60 seconds. And again, just adding the smaller star at the tip of the nail just so the stars are throughout the nail and just kind of it can come together more seamlessly. And of course curing for 60 seconds. And it was so cute. She was so obsessed and mesmerized by the cat eyes. She just kept staring at them and looking at them. She really loved them, which made me so happy. It was so cute to see her like shimmer them through the different lighting and looking at them. And honestly, I can't blame her because cat eye is just one of the best gels. And of course, we are going to finish off this nail set with glossy top coat. Again, really getting close to the cuticle but not touching it, and really sealing in all of that beautiful design so that the gel can be protected but also super shiny and beautiful. And then of course curing for 60 seconds, which we will do of course on all of the nails. And then the last thing we will do is apply cuticle oil so that her cuticles and skin are nice and soft, and we are just going to massage that in for her. And that is it, guys. Look at how stunning this cat eye is and how they turned out. They are so beautiful and she loved it. So please, guys, if you do this look, please tag me because I want to see your work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos and I'll see you in the next video.